Today we take a walk around Ayia Napa Harbour and enjoy the views of March 2026. Come and join us. Good morning everyone and welcome back to Jelly's Journey. Today we are in Ayia Napa and one of our favourite places, Ayia Napa Harbour. Just had a gorgeous coffee at the Limonaki restaurant, which is just ahead of us, just in front of the hotel. It is the 26th of March, it is 20 degrees and starting to soar. Doesn't look it when you see the clouds, but it is a beautiful day, isn't it, today?
Yeah, I just noticed actually on the beach there, all the brollies and sunbeds are all out now.
Yes.
Which they weren't before last time we came down, were they?
No,
In fact, the whole beach was cordoned off, so they were obviously getting it ready.
It really is starting to get a bit busy now, isn't it?
Yeah, and
People
there's
start
quite a few people swimming as well in the sea.
So beautiful hotels here.
Yeah, it's really lovely, isn't it?
It really is. But this has always been our favourite place. We just
love it around this marina and the harbour.
Really is.
All the cruise boats all lined up, ready for the season, ready to go.
We've seen some of the boats be taken into dry dock, haven't we? And they've been ready, getting ready for the season with the new livery. And is that what you call it for the boats?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Yeah. You lovely people know what I mean. New stickers on the boats.
Yeah, they have.
Yeah. The Napa Blue.
Yeah. That looks great, that.
Now we were just saying, I don't think we can see it here. No, you can't. But when we went to Cape Greco and there was a boat.
It came packing in, didn't it?
It came packing in and nearly knocked all the people out of the water. But we just spotted it here and it's a tiny little thing. It does fly.
This is actually €75 for adults and 35 for kids, so it is where it goes to, I don't know.
Where the sea meet luxury.
Yeah. Well, it is a luxurious boat, that's for sure.
I know you're hiring your boat out once or twice, aren't you? Just to...
I mean, it is really lovely, isn't it?
But look. Absolutely beautiful view. Now it's just nice to walk around here, grab a coffee.
And if you do come here for a coffee, the Limonaki Hotel does fantastic coffee.
Now this is saying something because Jerry's not a coffee fan like I am.
I'm not a coffee fan at all, but
I literally drag him to the coffee shops, people.
We've lived here for 8-9 months now.
Not even that, I don't think that.
It's about 8 months, isn't it? From August.
I thought it was 7 or 8. But...
Or 7 or 8. But anyway, in that time I can honestly say that the Limonaki Hotel is the best coffee I've tasted.
So there you go, high recommendation indeed.
€3.50 for a nice
normal
latte and an extra 20 cents for a bit of flavour.
It's one of the cheapest, to be honest, and
but it is the best coffee.
And the menu looks beautiful. So take a look at our other recording on that one.
That's my recommendation. And if you come down and do try one, tell me. What do you think?
And you know what? They are quite happy for you just to sit on the front with a lovely coffee.
Yeah, and it's a lovely place to sit.
Now, people are probably looking at these clouds and going, ooh. But honestly, it's really roasting today.
It's red hot, isn't it? It really is. That's the thing, you know, that the clouds can be in the sky, but, you know, they're not covering the sun. And it really is a beautiful, beautiful day. And you can pan up there, honey, just to prove I'm not lying. The sun's beating down.
Next to the chimney thing. Yeah. Well, yes, everyone, it is definitely worth a look around here and a nice, lovely walk. You've got Cape Greco in the distance and all the hotels. So you've got Grecian Sands, Atlantica Sun Garden, Grecian Bay, and you've got the Corfu in the distance and the Amirandi. And you'll probably see the Made for Two hotel just in the distance there. Absolutely fantastic place. Honestly, come along. If there's anywhere that you'd like us to go, please just let us know. Put it in the comments. Send us a message. We really do not mind at all. But until next time, everyone, we will leave you once again with a beautiful ocean view.
Beautiful Ayia Napa.
And Ayia Napa. Take care now. Bye.